Setting up Discovery Plus. Discovery Plus is here on Sky, and here's how to sign up. From the home screen, say Get Discovery Plus into your voice remote. Or go to My Sky, then Discovery Plus. And then confirm your subscription. To activate your account, scan the QR code with your phone or tablet. Or go to sky.com/discoveryplus-activate. Sign in with your Sky ID, then follow the steps to create your Discovery Plus account using any email and password. On your TV, from the home screen, say Discovery Plus into your voice remote, or scroll to Apps and then Discovery Plus. Press down on your remote so the Sign In button is highlighted. Then scan the QR code or go to discoveryplus.com/link and enter the code shown on your screen. For more information, go to sky.com/help/discoveryplus.